Hi friend, if you've just picked up the Kindle Colorsoft or you're curious about what makes it stand out, you're in for a treat. Today I'm sharing my favorite tips and tricks for the only Kindle with a color display, the Kindle Colorsoft Signature Edition. Whether you're brand new to the Kindle or you've been using one for years, I think you will find something here you didn't know before. Let's jump straight in. Tip 1. Highlight text in multiple colors. Here's a cool trick to enhance your note-taking. You can highlight text in multiple colors on the Kindle Colorsoft. Just press and hold the text you want to highlight, tap highlight and choose from yellow, pink, blue or orange color. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference, especially if you like to color code your notes. And here's the cool part. When you go to your book's notes and highlight section, the different colors stand out clearly, making it super easy to distinguish between them. Tip 2. Check your reading progress. Want to stay on top of your reading journey? While reading, tap the bottom left corner of the screen. Each tab cycles through different displays. You can see your current page number, your location in the book, how much time is left in the chapter, or even how much time is left in the entire book. It's a handy way to track your progress and plan your reading sessions. Tip 3. Send web articles to your Kindle. Did you know you can extend your Kindle reading beyond books? With the Push to Kindle extension for Google Chrome, you can easily send web articles straight to your Kindle. The free version lets you send up to 10 articles per month. You will need to add the extension's email address to your Kindle's approved email list, but don't worry, everything is explained when you download the extension. Once it's set up, just click the extension's icon in the top right of your Chrome browser while viewing an article. Within a minute or two, it will show up on your Kindle, ready to read in a clean and distraction-free format. Tip 4. Manage storage space efficiently. Keeping your Kindle Colorsoft running smoothly is easy when you know how to manage your storage space. Just head to Settings, then Device Options and tap on Storage Management. Here you can manually remove books and even see their file sizes. If you'd rather not do it yourself, there's an automatic option. Go to Quick Archive option where you can set your Kindle to remove books you haven't opened in 1, 3, 6 or 12 months. And don't worry, these books aren't gone forever. They stay in your library, ready to be re-downloaded anytime. It's a great way to free up space without losing access to your favorite reads. Tip 5. Organize your books with collections. If you're reading multiple books at once, it can be hard to keep track of them all. But with Kindle's collections feature, staying organized is a breeze. You can create collections like Want to Read, In Progress, Finished, or even Favorites. This way, all your current books are neatly grouped, making it easy to find what you're looking for. Once you finish a book, just move it to the Finished collection to keep your active reading list nice and clean. And here's a pro tip. If you add numbers to the titles of your collections, like number 1 Want to Read or number 2 In Progress, and sort them by title, they will always stay in the same order on your screen. Before we move on, if this video is helpful to you, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Appreciate your support. Tip 6. Explore detailed images in color. If you're reading a book with maps, graphics or photographs, the Kindle Colorsoft lets you dive into the details with ease. When you come across an image, just hold your finger on it for a second and a magnifying glass icon will appear. Tap it and the image will open in full screen mode. From there, you can pinch to zoom to examine every detail up close. This feature is quite handy for travel guides or illustrated novels where exploring the visuals adds a lot to the experience. Tip 7. Change the page turn animation. Want to make your reading experience feel more like flipping through a real book? You can customize how the pages turn on your Kindle Colorsoft. To enable this, just open a book, swipe down to open the quick menu and tap the AA icon. Then go to the More section and turn on the page turn animation. It's a small tweak, but it adds a nice touch that makes reading feel even more immersive and visually pleasing. Tip 8. Set your book's cover on the lock screen. Here's a handy feature for making your Kindle Colorsoft feel a little bit more personal. You can display the cover of your current books right on the lock screen. This is great because it lets you see your last book instantly without even turning the device on. Plus, the colorful covers look amazing on the Colorsoft. To set it up, go to the Settings, tap on Screen and Brightness and enable the Show Cover on Lock Screen option. It's a simple way to make your Kindle feel more accessible and tailored to you. Tip 9. Use a remote page turner for easier reading. If you're looking for a more comfortable way to read, or if you have a physical disability, there's a handy accessory that can make a big difference, a remote page turner. This little gadget lets you turn pages without having to touch your Kindle, making it perfect if you want to keep your hands free or avoid reaching for the screen. And the best part, it doesn't need Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, so you just clip it to the screen and the remote control button lets you turn to the next page. Just keep in mind that it only works for turning pages forward, not backward. It's especially useful for people with mobility issues or anyone who wants to read without holding the Kindle, like when you're snuggled up under blankets during the winter. The remote page turner works with other Kindle models too, including Paperwhite, Scribe and Basic Kindle. And it's pretty affordable. I will have a link in the description if you want to check it out and support the channel. Tip 10. Adjust color styles. You can customize your reading experience on the Colorsoft by adjusting the color style. Switch between standard and vivid color modes to find out what works best for you. Just slide down the top quick menu and tap on the color style option. From there, you can switch between standard and vivid color modes. Whether you're in the mood for subtle tones or bold, vibrant colors, you can adjust it in seconds to suit your content and environment. So, what do you think of the new Colorsoft? Leave a comment if I missed any useful tips or features that you'd like to share. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. There's still so much more to explore with this device, so if you want to dive even deeper into the full review of the Kindle Colorsoft, be sure to check out this video right here. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye!